Hello, I am a chemistry teacher with a passion for inspiring young minds and imparting curiosity in the science. I also indulge in painting, drawing, and photography. I like capturing moments and exploring new places through art. I am also nature enthusiast and avid gardener who finds joy in the vibrant colors of the outdoors, always seeking new experiences and adding those in my art. In this channel, I'll try to show some glimpses of it. If you like, then please subscribe to support me. Thank you.